We got these shelves sent to us at no cost for the purpose of this review. Let's go ahead and take them out of the box and check them out. All right, in the box are 4 mounting brackets, 2 nice big thick pieces of acrylic, and some anchors and some screws to mount these to the wall. And basically the idea here is to take these brackets and you put the acrylic piece underneath like this. So there it is. There's the basic idea of what these would do. You'd have these 2 mounting brackets with the acrylic piece on the bottom, and then you would put these screws that it came with into the screws here into the wall, and then you would have a nice little floating shelf. Very nice. Let's get these hung so we can see the full effect of them. All right, just so for your reference, when you open up this bag of the screws and such that it came with, you're going to have these little screws right here. They're going to go into the bottom of this, which if you look, there are some little holes here that are in the acrylic that are meant for you to run these screws right here up into this bracket so it holds the acrylic down to the bracket. So that makes the shelf sturdy. So that's when you would run these screws into the sheetrock or into the stud, and you have sheetrock anchors here if you need those, but you would put those in here and that's what would screw it into the wall. All right, so these are the 2 shelves. We hung them in my son's bathroom. He's got some gold tones like this that match, and they're pretty nice. Actually, with 4 screws in them, each one of them allows 2 screws in each brace. So one up here and one in here. They're actually pretty sturdy. I mean, they feel like they could hold a decent amount of weight for that small space. Let's put some things on there so we can see how well they fit. Now, I'm sure these are not things that will stay on this shelf because my wife will end up putting decorative items there, but if he wanted to store some of his little lotions and cleansers, he could put them right here on the shelf and give him some more storage. So yeah, these are pretty cool little shelves. Definitely think they work someplace where you need some nice small shelves that fit in a small place. And they seem to be nice quality shelves. They seem like they're going to hold up really well. I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.